Infiniti has just announced their latest QX80, which is basically the luxury version of the Patrol. And even cooler, this beast is going to come with a brand new 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the old 5.6L V8. Wow, that's a big upgrade, right? So the power output of this new model is 335 kilowatts, up by 37 kilowatts from the current V8. And torque? Don't worry, that's also up by 138 newton-meters, bringing it to a total of 698 newton-meters. For comparison, the Land Cruiser 300 twin-turbo diesel only adds 108 kilowatts, making the QX80 more powerful, even though it falls short by 2 newton-meters in torque. But hey, compared to the Lexus LX600 twin-turbo petrol V6, the QX80 wins with an additional 30 kilowatts and 50 newton-meters more torque. Speaking of transmission, Infiniti is replacing the 7-speed unit with a more advanced 9-speed torque converter automatic. With a wider gear ratio, this car will have better acceleration and fuel efficiency, resulting in a more responsive performance. Now, the engine is coded as VR35 DDT, which means this 3.5L twin-turbo engine is an upgraded version of the 3.0L twin-turbo VR30 DDT engine found in the Nissan Z sports car. So, we can expect some serious performance from this QX80. Infiniti isn't messing around with the new features either. They've added air suspension with adaptive dampers, making the cabin much quieter thanks to increased torsional rigidity. From the teaser of the Infiniti's monograph concept unveiled in mid-2023, we can see a glimpse of the anticipated Nissan Patrol Y63, set to arrive in Australia by 2025. Design-wise, both vehicles will have some similarities, but spy shots show that the Patrol will feature traditional door handles and larger headlights, while the QX80 will have hidden handles and slimmer headlights. A production-ready Patrol prototype shown to US dealers had a striking resemblance to the Range Rover, with a more robust aesthetic and updated headlights and taillights. The interior has also been completely revamped, boasting a modern design. Mark your calendars, guys. The 2025 Infiniti QX80 is set to debut on March 21st Australian time, just before the New York Auto Show. And the 2025 Nissan Patrol will also be unveiled in the coming months. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and stay tuned for more awesome automotive content. See you on the next ride.